We are in the middle of National Poison Prevention Week. According to the Health Resources and Services Administration, this week focuses on the dangers of poisoning and promotes community involvement in preventing them. And that is today's Health Watch. So joining me now is Frank Tranfaglia, Injury Prevention Coordinator from HCA Health One Swedish. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
This is all important information. So we know unintentional poisoning deaths ranks third overall when it comes to pediatrics. That's according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Why is that?
You know, I think that little kids, especially someone like me, we don't follow the look, don't touch. We touch and don't look sometimes.
Right.
And, you know, it's just so easy with all the colors and different schemes of things. Kids think something is a toy, or they think it's candy.
So how can we prevent more deaths?
So first and foremost, medications. Make sure you lock up all your medications, never mix them, use the child-proof container. Any type of chemicals, make sure you put the chemicals away, and really teach our kids, look, don't touch, come get our parents if something's going on. And same thing with adults, never grill inside for carbon monoxide, never mix chemicals, just small little things that I think we need reinforcement of.
Sure. Is there a specific time when you see or you get the majority of possible poisoning concerns?
To be very honest, I was doing some research, and it's between October in May, which is a long stretch, but there's so many different seasons and people are getting out and about, or people are stuck inside of the house. So there's really no correlation to it, but it's really between those times.
So how should parents talk to their kids about avoiding things?
I think that they should have a nice sit down with them and teach them, hey, don't go into this cabinet. And if the children, they're not old enough to do that, buy the nice cabinet locks and make sure everything's away, keep your medication high, but really just keep them to look, don't touch, and come get mommy or daddy before you touch.
Before you touch anything or take anything, right? Anything else we should know about Poison Prevention Week?
Really just, if you have any issues or you have any exposures, always reach out to the Poison Control. They're national experts. They'll be able to walk you through the next steps. If someone's ever vomiting or can't breathe well, just call 911 right away. And if you ever are coming to the hospital with the accidental poisoning, take a picture of the chemical or substance. You don't have to bring it with you in the car. That's a little dangerous, but take a picture so that we can call the Poison Control hotline.
You mentioned those cabinet clips. Are those pretty easy to get? Yeah,
you can buy those at any store. CVS has them, Walgreens has them, Amazon has them.
And then if you have really small kids, like let's just say a 1-year-old or a 2-year-old, talking to them pretty early on?
Yeah, I think that's a very good move.
Okay.
Try to educate them very early, young, and show them, hey, don't touch this. This is for mommy and daddy. Stay away from this. Stay away from that cabinet. And kind of just watch them, because if they're anything like me, they're curious, and as soon as you go upstairs, they're going to go look.
That's true. All right. Thanks so much for coming on the show and telling us all about it.
Thanks for having us. We really appreciate being here.
All right. Thank you so much. And know your local poison control number, or know this one on your screen. Do not forget, you can watch all of our health interviews on our website, cbscolorado.com. We'll be right back.